Tips and tricks for recording. Press Sky on your remote to go to your recordings. You can quickly and easily move through recordings using your SkyQ remote. Press up, then left or right. To move to a particular point, press and hold on your SkyQ remote. Press play to start watching again. To delete an entire series, press Sky. Go to Sort By, then to A to Z and find the series you'd like to delete. Swipe or press right and choose Delete All. To continue watching a show you haven't finished or to find the next episode of a series you've recorded, press Home and go to Continue Watching. You can find more by pressing Sky and going to Continue. For more information, go to sky.com/help. Check out more Sky Help videos and remember to subscribe.